Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the difference between ChatGPT and ChatGPT Plus. So you might be wondering, what are the differences between the ChatGPT and the ChatGPT Plus? So the upgraded version, or upgrading to ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month, offers several enhancements over the free version, making it worthwhile for users who require advanced features and improved performance. So one benefit would be that you have access to GPT-4. Subscribers gain access to GPT-4, which provides more accurate and nuanced responses compared to the free version, which is GPT 4.0 Mini. And then you also have faster response times, plus users experience quicker response times, enhancing productivity. Another one would be priority access during peak times, so subscribers are less likely to encounter downtime during high traffic periods. So, for example, during the afternoon when many people are using it, the free version might fail because of high traffic. However, if you are in the subscriber or you have the premium version, you are less likely to experience this. And furthermore, the last one is you have advanced features, includes access to tools like DALL-E 3 for image generation, code interpreter for data analysis, and web browsing capabilities. Now, things to consider before upgrading is that the usage frequency. If you use ChatGPT occasionally, then the free version may suffice or is enough for you. So feature necessity. So if you evaluate if the advanced features offered by Plus align with your needs. So if you're just a casual user for the surfing the web or asking general questions, then the free version is more than enough. So GPT Plus is for users who frequently utilize ChatGPT for tasks requiring advanced capabilities such as detailed research, creative writing, or data analysis. So upgrading to ChatGPT Plus is a valuable investment. The enhanced features and improved performance can significantly boost productivity and user experience. If you're uncertain, consider starting with the free version to assess its suitability for your needs before committing to the subscription. And that is it. That is the difference between the free version and the paid version of ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.